stay here for next 4 days. It will be really fun. And we're going to airplane.
Are you going to film us all the time?
Yeah, all the time. We just arrived to Doha, it's a big airport, and now we are going to find the exit so we can go to the city a little bit, because we have here somewhere around maybe 7 hours in between 2 flights. We just left the airport and arrived in some part of the Doha. It's not the center, so we'll go and explore. Yeah, some old marketplace. It's really nice. We'll go and explore a little bit.
Really nice to be here on an old marketplace, and definitely worth coming.
As you can see, Dusan is behind me and he's making a stock video. So I'm now a model, like a tourist, going through the marketplace and vlogging as I'm actually doing it. So that's a good part of traveling. You can do some stock video, then upload it to stock websites and then sell it. So cool thing. Right guys, we are at the Pearl of Qatar, so we are now driving all around this place with this cool guy over there and with Dusan and Jelena. And finally, after 24 hours of trip, we arrived at Manila, Philippines.
Yeah, long trip.
Hey guys, it's 5 in the morning, next day, and we are now off to Puerto Princesa. We are at the airport and we can't wait to get to the island. After 3 long hours of trip with Gwen, we are finally arrived here, and now we need to take a boat for 1 hour more. We are finally coming to the island after a long trip. So we will stay here for next 4 days. It will be really fun.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better, and baby, you don't belong.
I have my driver here and we are going to island over there. You will see in a moment. So how does it feel, my friend?
It feels awesome, man!
Yeah, it's cool. See that? Whoops. See that island over there? So we are heading there to meet our friends who are already settled there.
Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be,
Hey guys, just a second, we have a few questions for you. Wait, guys, you're too fast for us. Oh. We have this crazy guy who is trying to open a coconut by his hand and the bench. How do you feel, my friend? Is it going to... You don't feel?
I don't feel.
Okay. Oh, you open it almost.
Just passion for fruit. Actually for water.
For water, you're thirsty.
Yeah.
We have one guy here who wants to climb the palm tree to for some coconuts for us to drink. So let's film it. Let's see it.
Fresh coconut, guys. Really refreshing.
Thank you so much.
and so it goes. Tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
Good morning guys, it's a new day and today we're going to dive with some turtles to see some waterfalls and just to have fun on the boat. So I hope it will be a really great day. This guy is drunk a little bit, so we had a really tough night.
Doctor is drunk.
We are leaving this beautiful place. As you can see, we are packing the bags. This is our guide. He's really sad. And we are going to El Nido, so that will be another cool place to visit and to have a lot of fun there. See you soon.